Hi everyone, I'm Jackie. Welcome to this 15-minute slow flow designed to relieve any tension in the neck or the shoulders. Often we can get tension from texting all day or sitting at a computer and typing. This video will help with that. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Start in easy pose, Sukhasana. Grab either a bolster, pillow, folded blanket, or block, my friend. By elevating the pelvis when we sit on top of something supportive, it allows the hips to gradually release and open while the spine lifts and lengthens. Gently close the eyes. Take a moment to turn inward and say hello to the body. Let go of any tension in the face. Unclench the jaw, relax the shoulders. Let us do 2 cleansing breaths together to start our practice. Exhale out any static air you have. Take a big inhale through the nose, fill up the lungs. Open mouth, exhale. Feel the body release. One more. Inhale, feel the ribs expand, the chest rise. Exhale, stomach pushes down, let it all go. Seal the lips. Take some deep breaths, long inhales through the nose and long exhales out through the nose. Settle into your body and start to tune into the space inside you that you know is there, but that you don't always get a chance to access. Breathe deeply and say hello to this inner self, the you that remains unchained by all that is happening in the world. As we move, you can return to this when the mind starts to wander. You can always come back to your breath and always come back to this space. Gently flutter the eyes open. Fold the palms together at the center of your chest and spread your collarbones, lengthening the sides of the torso to expand your ribcage to deepen your breath. Palms together, inhale, rise both arms to the sky. Exhale, lower down slow. Inhale, lift up and out. Exhale, releasing any tension in the body. Inhale, rise both arms, separate the palms. Roll the wrist clockwise twice. Then roll the wrist counterclockwise twice. Exhale, roll the wrists on the way down, hands to heart center. From Anjali Mudra, release the hands and place them behind the back. Interlace the fingers behind your body. Press palms together, triceps together. Bring the shoulder blades together. Extend arms and pull hands away from your body, opening your chest. Inhale, allow the heart and chin to elevate towards the sky. Pause here to open the chest, basking in this openness you've just created. Exhale, chin comes back to a neutral center position. Bring the hands above the left hip. Feel the hands securely locked in your side hip. Elbows pressed towards one another. Anchor down into the sitting bones located under each buttocks. Exhale, gently drop the left ear to the left shoulder. Feel the release of the right side of your neck. Connect the rhythm of your breath. Let us do some gentle neck rolls. Inhale, lift the chin. Exhale, lower the chin to the chest. 2 more. Inhale, chin points towards the sky. Exhale, chin tucks down to the collarbone. 1 long inhale, 1 long exhale. Keep the left ear on the left shoulder. Now let's take it to the other side. So exhale, chin tucks down to the collarbones. Inhale, chin points towards the sky. 2 more like that. Inhale, gaze is up. On the exhales, you drop the chin down. Big exhales, big inhales. Keep the left ear on the left shoulder. Stay for 1 more breath. Slowly return the head to center, hands to the back of the spine. Change the hands, so have the thumb go over the other thumb or the weird way. Inhale, lift the heart up, let the chest elevate in space. Exhale, gently drop the right ear to the right shoulder. Feel the release of the left side of your neck. And let's do some gentle neck rolls. Inhale, lift the chin. Exhale, chin comes down. 2 more, just like that. So movement in a yoga class gives us great ability to choose our response to the world, because in every moment and pose and breath, you're getting to know yourself more and how you move. Keep the right ear on the right shoulder. Now let's take it the other way. Exhale, chin tucks down to the collarbones. Inhale, chin points towards the sky. 2 more. During yoga, you are creating more of a connection to yourself. You are deepening your ability to access that secret, quiet place inside. On the next exhale, let that head drop. Keep the right ear on the right shoulder. Stay for an inhale. 1 last exhale. Slowly return head to center, hands to the knees. Go ahead and change the positions of the legs, so cross your legs the opposite way. Even though we've moved our legs, still be aware of the breath. Be aware of this moment. Have the hands come in front of the chest. Interlace the fingers. Press the palms to the chest. Inhale, expand the heart, expand the collarbones. Exhale, flip the palms, press the hands forward, round into the upper back body space. Inhale, lift the arms up, squeezing your biceps in towards your ears. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift up and open. Exhale, round. Inhale, expand the lungs with air. Take the gaze towards the hands. Press the palms up to the sky. Exhale, release hands down to the mat. Open the palms, elbow creases up towards the sky. Spread the fingers, feel active. Slowly, with intention, reach up high for the sky. Now bring the palms together and activate each hand into the other. Press into the pinkies, into the fingers, into the thumbs. Feel the shoulders firm down the back body, opening the chest. Adding on to this heat we're creating, take the fingertips back, elbows towards the ceiling, gaze follows. Lift the elbows up, create length and expansion. Draw the core in towards the spine to support the back. Come back to your breath. Each inhale lifts the elbows even more. 1 last big inhale. Big exhale, release the hands down to the knees. Close the eyes. Come back to your deepest self. Come back to your breath. Open the eyes, palms to the floor right in front of you. Walk the fingertips and hands forward. Create length in the spine as you fold forward over the legs, forehead towards the earth. Spine is long and expanded. Deep breaths into the whole back body. Exhale, walk your hands back to your knees. Take your left hand to the left side of you. Drop the elbow, drop the shoulder. Inhale, reach the right arm over the right ear. Lift the chest up, shoulder blades together. Lengthen the right fingertips as you ground through the right hip. Stay for 1 more breath, feeling that long line of energy. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Take the right hand to the right side, drop the elbow, drop the shoulder. Inhale, left arm sweeps up. Deep breaths here. On each inhale, lengthen as you ground through the left hip. On each exhale, stretch a little deeper. Stay for one more inhale, one more exhale. Return to center. Go ahead and remove that bolster. If you were sitting on anything, we're going to come into a tabletop position. So wrists in line with shoulders, hips in line with knees. Keep the index and knuckles grounded into the floor to create a connection to your mat. Look at your hands. Are the fingertips spread? Time to stretch out the wrists, especially if you text or type a lot. So go ahead and take those palms and have the thumbs face towards the top of the mat, similar to jazz hands but flat. Start rocking the body side to side. Feel the weight leave and transfer into each palm with every rock. Begin to add on some organic movements with the hips. So rock the hips back and forth, looking behind the left shoulder, then looking behind the right shoulder. Find stillness in tabletop. If you'd like, you can flip the hands so the middle fingers point towards the knees. You can hold this just to stretch out the forearms, feeling what the sensation is like. There's 19 muscles in the forearm, so it's good to give them some love, especially if we do repetitive motions such as typing or texting. If you want more juice, you can stay in the flip as we take cat-cows twice, or you can return the hands back to neutral if you have any strain on the wrist. Let us begin with cow. Inhale, chest rises, shoulder blades pull in towards one another. Exhale, cat, release the crown of your head, draw the belly to the spine, round your back. Inhale, cow, as you drop your belly, lift the gaze, lift the chest. Exhale, cat, hug your navel towards the spine, shoulder blades draw apart from each other. Go ahead and just take a couple more here at your own pace, linking breath to movement. Look for space in this pose, how you can create it. Find stillness in tabletop, and let's take it back to a nice, juicy child's pose. Spread the knees as wide as the mat, big toes together. Rest the buttocks on your heels, allow your forehead to come to the floor. Imagine your back is doming towards the ceiling. Allow the spine to lengthen and widen. With each exhalation, release your front torso a little deeper into the pose. Keeping a conscious breathing practice here can go a long way to opening up the muscles of the back. One last breath. Exhale, come back up and return to tabletop. Take a big inhale through the nose. Exhale, sigh it out. Inhale, find length in the neck out of the shoulders. Exhale, look over the right shoulder. Inhale, sweep the right arm up towards the sky. Feel the openness in the front body and pause. Expand the chest. Exhale, thread the needle. Take the right fingertips behind the left wrist. Rest on the right ear. So you can stay here, or you can go ahead and walk the left fingertips forward, stretching the left hip all the way to the left hand. Or you can keep the palm pressing into the earth and then curl the left toes underneath and send the left toes back. Playing along with this, seeing what feels right for you. Exhale, unravel back to center. Inhale the right arm up, return it down, and let's take it to the other side. Last one. Inhale, find length in the neck. Exhale, look over the left shoulder. Inhale, sweep the left arm up. Feel that openness. Exhale, thread the needle. Take the left fingertips behind the right wrist. Let rest on the left ear. So you can either stay here, walk the fingertips forward, or uncurl those toes and then send them back. One last long inhale, one last long exhale. Unravel back to center. Inhale the left arm up, return it down. Last child's pose of class. This time, knees together, thighs together, toes together. Forehead comes down to the mat. Bring your arms back to rest alongside your thighs with your palms facing up. Completely relax your elbows. Take a big inhale. Let your upper back broaden. Exhale, soften and relax your lower back. Allow all tension in your shoulders, arms, and neck to drain away. Gently use your hands to walk your torso upright to sit back on your heels. Bring your hands to heart center, Anjali Mudra, and flutter the eyes closed. As you leave this space, vow to nurture this connection you've created. Return to it throughout your day, your week, your month, knowing that when you come back to the deepest part of yourself, you're cultivating a clearer path to happiness. We will take one last cleansing breath together, so exhale out any static air. Take a big inhale through the nose. Open mouth, exhale, let it out, my friend. Gently flutter the eyes open. Thank you so much for giving yourself some time to bring relief to the body. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone else you think would enjoy this. Once again, my name is Jackie. I post yoga, meditation, and raw vegan videos here on my channel every week, and I will see you in the next video.